Hello, today I'm going to show you how to set up and use Google Sheets. So first, I already logged into my Google account already. So I will go to that box and press Drive. So with my Drive, I will press New and go to Sheets. And it open up in a new tab. So first, I would name my spreadsheet. So I would name it Kanice Sheets Jet. Alright. So say for this spreadsheet, I want to make a field trip list, basically. So I will put the name. Great. Alrighty. So up here, the other icons and stuff that I can use right here. So let's see. Say if we want to see if we have a long list of things or names or ages or grades, you can freeze it like this and like that. So you'll be able to go down the columns without the top of it moving. So let's see. Let me put some names. And great. Alright. So these right here, I've already freezed the columns, so I can unfreeze them. Alrighty. So also for this, you can also make another spreadsheet. So what I do, I press add, and you can also name the spreadsheets also. So with this one, I'm gonna put a field trip as the name. And you can also color coordinate it also. Say if you have the other spreadsheet, so you won't get confused. So I'm gonna just put this one as blue. So let's see, you can also move the columns how you want to have a little bit more room, like that. You can bold them. You can change the font sizes. So you can do all that. You can also share it like you would do the other ones. You will enter the names and the email addresses. You can press advance, and you can make it to where it's just private. You can make it where it's public to anyone or have a link. So yeah, and that's it, and that's how you will use Google Sheets that is very equivalent to Excel. Thank you.